Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. Cooking with dry beans is a good skill to know. You can get twice as many beans for your money if you cook them yourself instead of buying canned. I'm using garbanzo beans today, but you can use the same process with any kind of beans. First, put your beans in a pot and sort through them to make sure there aren't any rocks or other beans that got mixed in. You can see there were a couple of peas in with my garbanzo beans. Rinse the beans and then fill the pot with a couple of inches of water above the dry beans. You can let these set out overnight and they will be ready to cook the next day. Or you can bring the beans and water to a boil and then shut off the heat and let them sit for an hour. Then your beans will be ready to cook. Either way works. Next, drain the beans and rinse them and add some fresh water. Bring the beans and the water to a boil and let it boil for at least 20 minutes. Then I drain and rinse the beans again, and then I add more water again and bring it to a boil again like I did before, and then I boil it for at least another 20 minutes. Doing this a couple of times and replacing the water each time helps to get rid of any toxins and makes the beans more digestible. Drain and rinse the beans, and then you could cook them the rest of the way in a slow cooker, or pressure cook them in an Instant Pot, or just cook them on the stove until they're soft. The amount of water you add to cook them will depend on how you decide to cook them. I put mine in an Instant Pot since it takes less time and I don't have to be in the kitchen to keep an eye on them. But I have cooked beans on the stove, and I do it in the crock pot as well. They all work. You can freeze extra cooked beans for up to 2 to 3 months in your freezer. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos just like this.